So let's take a look at some words here and see if we can figure out what they have in common. Let's look at the word cat. Cat. And cake. Egg. And notice here I can kind of show how to say those A's, those and A. Do you know what those are called? Let's look at all these other words here. Kind of talk about maybe what some of them mean. And then we'll sort them based on how they sound. Mad, like when you're angry. Make, like if I were to put something together, I might make it. Listen to those sounds. Glass, like you might have a glass of water. Fast, someone who's very quick is fast, or who can run fast, just, speedy. Hand, here's my hand. What? What's something you might say, hey, what did you just say? Gate. A gate's something you kind of open up to get into somewhere. It might be a fence, there might be a gate on the outside. Snap. There's a snap. Last. If you're not fast, you might come in last in the race as the final person. Page. You might have a page in a book. Bat. Bat can have two meanings. You might have the animal bat that flies around, or like a baseball bat that you swing. Came. That can mean like, hey, he came over to my house yesterday. It's in the past tense though. Whale. Whale is the big animal that lives in the ocean. Grass, the green stuff that grows outside. Face, right here is my face. Name, my name is Mr. Donnelly. It's what you call someone or something. Rake is a tool you might use to maybe rake your grass or rake leaves off your grass. Ask, usually when you ask a question, a lot of times you might use the word what. Same, same means two things that are the same, like your hands are kind of the same. Made is like make. You make something right now, but then it was made yesterday. And sack. You might put things and store them into a bag or a sack. Look at these words. What do they all have in common? Well, I see they all have an A, but the A makes a different sound. It either says a like cat or a like cake. And there's one word that doesn't do either one of those. Here are the columns of how we're going to sort these words. We have short A that says a, like cat, sack, last, mad, ask, bat, glass, grass, fast, hand, and snap. Notice I'm emphasizing that a sound. And you have your long A. It says A. It actually, you can hear the name of the letter. Cake, make, whale, made, face, same, gate, name, page, rake, and came. And finally, we have the oddball of what. What should, based on the spelling pattern, it should be here under the short A. It says a, but it's not wat. It's what. It actually sounds kind of more like a short U sound. These are short A and long A words.